Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Welcome to this tutorial on how to find trending sounds on Instagram. Instagram offers a vast library of sounds and music that you can use in your posts, stories, reels, and more. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of discovering and using trending sounds on Instagram. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's launch the Instagram app. You will be taken to your Instagram home feed. Next, to find trending sounds, we need to access the Explore page. At the bottom of your screen, tap on the magnifying glass icon. This will take you to the Explore page. This is the page where you can discover new content. Then, at the top of the Explore page, you will find a search bar. Tap on it to enter your search query. In the search bar, type in keywords related to the type of sound you're looking for. So for example, let me type trending, then hit search. After that, look for the audio. It is located on the top center of your screen. Tap on it. I searched trending. Now we have lots of audios here. If you tap on one, you can see at the top the number of reels it has been used on. Now that's a way to find trending sounds on Instagram. Congratulations! You've learned how to find trending sounds on Instagram. By exploring the Explore page and searching for sounds related to your interests, you can stay updated with the latest trends and incorporate popular sounds into your own posts, stories, and reels. Get creative, have fun, and make your content more engaging with trending sounds on Instagram. Thank you for watching!